Hi friends, this is John Kingston from JR Trading Zone. In this video, I am just going to explain the possibilities and probabilities of option selling. You all know in recent time, many people when they come to derivative market, they directly come into option selling. The reason is the probability, the high probability when compared to option buying, option selling is having a high probability. The next reason, we can adjust option selling. If the positions goes wrong, there are many ways that we can make it into a profitable position, or we can make some adjustments and come without loss. Okay, that means don't think that option selling is very safe and we can make profit all the time. Definitely we should have a proper risk management, and in option selling the main part is to manage our risk when the positions are going against us. Actually, option selling is a very big subject. In each and every market structure, which strategy we should apply, how should we take position, in which stage we should make adjustments. So there are a lot of subjects to be discussed in option selling. I have just made only one video about option buying, and I don't promote option buying for the beginners. Option buying is just only for the most experienced traders. If they are sellers for years, they can try option buying, they can experiment option buying. If they are developing the skill, then they can go with option buying. I have mentioned in one of my video how beginners should enter the market. Even now I say entering into the derivative market directly is not actually advisable. You should come into the stock market by what we say buying some stocks and investing in stocks. You should watch its movement, and I have detailedly explained how you should enter the stock market. And now the next stage, you are entering the derivative market. When you come to the derivative market, definitely you should plan about option selling, but you should have a great knowledge, because option prices always are affected by few factors: the delta, theta, gamma, vega and rho. If you don't know these factors, you should definitely study. There are a lot of YouTube videos available for studying these factors. These factors affects the option price. Okay, there are three types of strikes, you know: OTM option, ITM option and what we say ATM option. For that also I have made a separate video. If you have not watched that video, you can go and watch how ATM options, ITM options and OTM options perform in the real market. Okay, when it goes near the expiry, how it works, beginning of the expiry, how it works. The option is and option prices are completely what we say affected by these five factors. So you should have a great knowledge about these factors, and then only you can enter into the option selling segment. In this video I simply want to explain the probability. Some people say that the option selling we have 70% probability, some people say we have 80% probability. I will say you can have 90% probability also. The selection of strike is very important in option selling. In option buying also, selection of prices are very important, but that is a completely different subject. It is just opposite to option selling. So option selling and buying is completely on the opposite direction. It is completely on the opposite direction, and this is always in the opposite directions. So always you must remember, option buying is the toughest segment in derivative market, and only if you have skill in option selling segment, then you can slowly enter into the option buying segment where you can succeed. Only 10% of the traders in the derivative market are successful. That is not my saying. The Zerodha CEO has told. Even now in our brokers terminal, when you open the brokers terminal, they are giving a clean list, the risk in derivative market. Only 10% of the traders, I think below 10% of the traders are successful in derivative market. So derivative market is very risky. You get a good income from derivative market, no doubt about it, but you have to put a great effort. Okay, in this video I will just explain how the probability is different for both option buyers and sellers. For that, I have to go to the payoff graph and I will show how option sellers are having an upper hand in terms of probability. I won't say in terms of making money. There are very big and famous traders, option buyers in India. There are famous option sellers in India. Therefore, option selling or buying, that is not a great matter. But when beginners enter into the market, they have to step one by one. If you try to jump or cross over that, definitely you will fall. That reason is because you can't become a good option buyer without knowing option selling. So option selling is very important. So okay, therefore in this video just I want to explain the probability first of all. Okay, next, if you have not learned about the delta, theta, gamma, vega, rho, these factors affect the option prices. If you have not learned, you can go to YouTube videos and learn it. If I have time, definitely I will be making videos on it and I will explain it in my own way. Okay, the basics of the stock market you can learn from anywhere. When you go to the advanced section of the stock market, definitely you should have a very good mentor and you should learn properly under him, or you should put a lot of time for your learning. You should do a lot of back testing, you should do a lot of practice like that. Okay, therefore let's go to the payoff graph and I will show how option sellers are having a better probability than the option buyers. Okay. Yes friends, let's go to OpstraRedefineEdge.com. This site you can go, this is a free site. You can do your strategies, work out your strategies. Okay, you can get a very good knowledge by doing homeworks. Now I will show the plain option selling, the probabilities. Okay, never follow or take trade in this manner. You will lose all your capital. Trading in options is very risky, so we have to put some strategies. Without strategy, without knowing the risk management, how to adjust our positions, never enter into the option selling segment. Option buying, you just lost the premium. In option selling, you may lose the entire capital. Once again, I am telling you. Okay, next, coming to the subject. Now Nifty for this week. Okay, this is September 21-23. The next expiry is on Thursday. Today, now I am shooting this video on Saturday. Okay, after 5 days, that is Monday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Thursday 21st is the next expiry. Okay, now the spot of Nifty is, what we say, spot price is 20,169. Futures 20,240. Futures is completely a different subject. I will come into the features in detail later. Now the spot price is 20,169. Now let's come to the option chain. 20,200 is the ATM strike, at the money strike. If you don't know what is at the money, out of the money, in the money, go and watch my video. I have made a video about option chain and lot of videos are also available in YouTube. Go and study how to read and dissect the option chain. Okay, based on your technical analysis. First of all, you should know the technical analysis because you should have an idea where the market will take resistance and where the market will take support. Now this is the ATM strike 20,200. You are thinking that the market won't go above 20,400 within this expiry. What will you do? Simple, you will just go and sell this option. See, selling. Now let's go to the payoff chart. You see. Now the probability is 83.53%. It is, the probability is 83.53% and the maximum profit is 1,000 rupees, that is 1%. The record margin is 92,000. You can reduce the margin by hedging and some other thing. We have a lot of methods for reducing the margin that I will be coming in the next videos. And the break even is 20,400. As and when the market settles down below 20,420, you are making a profit of 1%. Then can you increase the probability? Definitely. Now let me cancel this option. Let's go here. Yes, now you think it can go above 20,400, 20,450, but it will never go be above this round figure 20,500. So you are taking a very cautious position. You are going and selling this option 20,500. You are expecting that the market can go above 20,400, 20,450, but it will never go above 20,500. What will you do? You just go and sell this option for 8 rupees. You see, now you are selling this option 8 rupees. Nifty's lot size is 50. So 50 into 8, you are getting 400 rupees. You see, you are getting 400 rupees. Now you have increased your probability. Now the probability is 90.56. So you see, now we can increase our probability as and when we are going more out of the money. More out of the money you are going, you are increasing your probability. Here the estimated margin is 87,771. Net credit is this much, and the break even is like this. The same way on the downside. The downside also, you see, I'll tell you, I'll show you here. Here the 20,200 now is the ATM. Now you are having a view that the market won't go below 20,000. What you have to do, you just go and sell this put option for 26 rupees. Yes, now see the payoff. Now the probability is 77.82%. Maximum profit is 1,300. That is 1.2% returns. And what is the maximum loss here? The undefined. That is the main risk factor in option selling. Estimated margin is 1,08,000 rupees. Okay, you see, as and when the market is trading above this range, you are in good profit. As and when the market falls, you are going to incur great loss. It can be any amount. That's why they are saying the maximum loss is undefined. There are a lot of other problems also. We will have to face peak margin penalty, margin shortfall if you don't have sufficient funds, and a lot of problems and issues like that also I'll be explaining in the upcoming videos. Once again, I remember every subscribers, everyone who watches this video, the most experienced traders in India or all over the world never sell naked options. Now what I have shown in this payoff is selling naked options. They sell naked options for intraday. Most of the traders, 99% of the successful traders, they don't carry forward the position. They don't take positional trades in option selling. If they are doing, they will be doing some strategies. I will be explaining how we can do strategies for positional type. For intraday, they may be taking a directional view. They may be selling naked options. That is only for intraday. For intraday also, if there is any black swan event, if the broker terminal is not working, if there is any technical glitch, it may create a great problem for you if you are not having a hedging position. How to hedge, how to make a proper hedge. If you hedge, how many points above or below you can get maximum returns, everything I will be explaining one by one. Okay, don't think this video as advice for doing trade. This is just for educational purpose, because we are entering the most toughest market, so we must be what we say, we must be more educated, and we must have the best clarification about every section of option. This is plain option selling. This is the most dangerous option selling. So never trade in this style. This is for educational purpose. Okay, that's all from this video. Hi friends, I think you got a good knowledge about option selling and the probability, how we can increase the probability, everything. Option selling is a very big subject, and I have just entered into the section. Okay, so keep it in this mind. Then if you are a trader, if you are not able to make profit, definitely you have to watch my video OSR at CPR, how patterns are working. I have revealed one of my successful pattern. I have written a book in Amazon KDP. It is available in Amazon KDP. I have written the 22 most powerful and successful strategy for intraday. Okay, my pattern is completely different. I see the patterns from the logic side. So when you go to Google or YouTube videos, you can see patterns, cup and saucer, what we say, double top, double bottom, some triangle patterns like that. But my pattern is completely different, that you can feel from my video. If you watch my video, the OSR at CPR, you can understand how I deal with patterns. Okay, I always deal with patterns based on logic. If you want to learn more, definitely you can go and download the book, and you can learn the what we say, the 22 most powerful patterns in intraday. I am planning to reveal all the strategies, all the 22 patterns, but the subscriber count should increase, and I should have a good subscriber base. And next, you should all like my videos. You try to share my videos to the trading communities, because it will benefit most of the people. If they come to know these are the strategies and this is the logic behind the strategy, definitely a trader can be successful. How to manage the risk, reward, everything, psychological videos, everything I have made. And you please watch all the videos and share the videos. If definitely, even if you are not sharing out, put a like for my video, because making a video actually has some effort. We put some effort. If the result just we expect from the subscriber is just a like, so please press the like button if you like this video, and share to your trading community members. Definitely you may have a trading circle. You should share the videos with a trading circle, so that everyone can benefit from this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye. This is John Kingston signing off from JR Trading Zone.